Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Olufemi Kolapo Samson from Ibadan City. I'm a comedian, an MC, and as well an hype man, a professional hype man, a club hype man, an event hype man, an event host. And I go by the stage name goes like Talkative Sam, the corporate hype man or the biggest of hype. Okay, Talkative Samson is actually my name. That's Sam. So being talkative, that is part of it, is actually given to me by my mom. Let me put it like that. It's just a kind of when you are inside the house, you talk a lot in the house, and your mom just be like, this boy is a talkative, and you just be like, okay, I'm looking for a stage name. I'm just do talkative Sam. That kind of thing. That's how the names come. Okay, basically when I start hype, that was around to the COVID time. Yeah, the COVID time when nobody's going out. As a comedian, as an MC, there's no event at that time, so you just stay inside, you just check some things online and be like, okay, what can you just be doing and all like that. So that is how hype comes in. And from there, after the COVID, we go on stage and we start doing internet. That's been awesome since then. Yeah, my daily routine as an hype man is just pray, meditate, work out, and as well listen to music. I'll say being creative actually. You're just creating stuff anytime you're less busy. Just that alone actually gives me more energy to be like, okay, I want to try new materials on stage anytime I get to the stage. Our memorable encounters with celebrities has been awesome actually. I would say it has been awesome. You know, when you know what you're doing, people actually love your craft. So anytime I meet a celebrity, I make sure before I meet the person, actually, if I meet him in person, him or her in person, actually, I will make sure I do my thing on stage. Let the person see me first, and I'll do it professionally. When I do it professionally, when we see each other, it's always good. I haven't got up with Keith Daniel, with the like of Peruzzi, with the like of Toby Shanks, with the like of Shea Banks, with the likes of Nice, with the likes of which other guys that with the like of Charlie Poppy and co. Not at all actually, it's not a music artist, it's still your favorite hype man. But it's just us diving into music and all. So basically every tracks I'll be dropping is still hype. It's still hype track, hype kind of music, and we'll be having some musician on it as well, because I'm kind of featuring some artists. So it's still hype. I'm not becoming a musician. Stay real, stay fresh, be on 100% energy and whenever you're on stage, and be creative as well with your hype style. Be creative as well. Have your own content, have your own, generally we call it lamba. Yeah, have your own lamba. Me, I call it anthem. Have your own anthem. Okay, big shout out to FoksTv right here. You understand? Anywhere you want to get your entertainment, educational stunts, and anything that is beautiful, music, comedy, art, anything, name it, anything. FoksTv, got you covered. Big shout out to FoksTv, the biggest TV and media platform in Lagos, Nigeria, Africa, right here.